Are you struggling with a low credit score? Don't worry. Today I'm breaking down exactly how to boost it in the next 30 days, step by step. Tip 1. Check your report. First, pull your credit report from Experian, TransUnion, or Equifax. Look for errors, wrong balances, fake accounts, or missed payments that weren't yours. Dispute them immediately. Tip 2. Credit utilization trick. Keep your credit card usage below 30% of your total limit. If you've got a $1,000 limit, don't go above $300. Pro tip, pay twice a month to stay under the radar. Tip 3. Authorized user hack. Ask a family member with good credit to add you as an authorized user on their card. Their positive history reflects on your report, without risk to them. Bonus tip, use rent reporting apps. 15 minutes. Apps like Experian Boost can report your rent and utility payments. That adds to your score instantly. Follow these 4 steps and you'll see results fast. Subscribe for more money hacks and tell me, what's your credit goal this year?